Hi, we're with Daryl Stangler at the 2011 National Farm Toy Show, and Daryl has a dealership for Houle equipment and other products related to dairy, and he's going to give us a little bit of a tour here. So Daryl, you're telling me a little bit about this display. You built it for a local dealership so they could actually promote some of the products they sell in 1/64 scale.
Yep.
So I guess can we get a little bit of tour of what's happening on the display? I see, I guess in this corner we see a combine going down the road, and gives us a good angle of what's the corner of the dealership lot.
Yep, that road would actually be County Road 71 going through Sauk Center, Minnesota.
Okay. And then I guess over here we get some of the larger grain carts and pool pumps. And what model is the red pump there?
James Way.
Okay. A couple of Gale Forge harvesters and loading up the truck there. And, I guess the back lot here with the tillage equipment. Did you guys, I guess one of the neat things over here in this corner was the corn planters and then a 50th anniversary self-propelled chopper.
Yeah, we just threw them in the mix, I guess. They're mostly just an equipment dealer though, so they deal with new and used, and they do a lot of renting of their tanks at this place. They rent out all their manure tanks and stuff.
What's the name of the dealership?
Dairyland Supply.
Looks like they're well equipped. That wouldn't be Minnesota without beat equipment.
Yeah, everything was scaled out from the road. We spent half a day, almost a half a day out here at that place measuring from the road to get all the accurate measurements to do the display.
It looks nice. I haven't, seen a larger display done nicely like this before. Like you got all the driveways and places to park the equipment. So is that a fabrication shop back there? Or?
In that building, I actually don't know what they store in there. I didn't get to go in there. Normally the doors were closed, but I'm sure it was just to store extra stuff. Yeah.
And you got the shop here. Looks like we got a chopper and some spreaders being worked on.
Yep. Inside.
And then sales and service and parts wing.
Yep.
So this is Highway 71 out here?
This one, the one that was with the combine was 71.
Okay.
I can't remember what this road was, but it's just right in Sauk Center. So.
Well, it's a great looking display, and look forward to seeing what you cook up next.
Yeah, and there will be more pictures of it because this is not complete yet. I ran out of time for this show, but
sure,
there will be more done to it yet. So.
Well, thank you for the tour.
All right, thanks.
Did you sell your display from last year? Did you get it sold? You had it for sale, didn't you?
I still got it.
Yeah, do you?
I got it here, actually.